Hello guys, I hope that you are doing well, and this is Adam, and this is the Studio Display XDR. Pixel sharper. Do I recommend getting this monitor? Well, let's talk about it. This monitor costs $3,300, which is more expensive than my car. So with that context in mind, the answer is no. If that is the case, who is this for? Well, this is for Tommy, whose his father is a neurosurgeon and money is no object. With jokes aside, yet am I joking? I don't know. But jokes aside, this is not meant for me or for you. There are better options than this as a display. I am a person that usually uses one display when I am doing anything that is related to modeling, programming, game development, whatever that might be. I do need a decent display that has a decent color accuracy. This display does check all the boxes and has everything that you want. It's a 27-inch with a 5K Retina display XDR and with many LED backlit, and it's very precise, which is beautiful, and it's really nice, and you will get the most stunning colors that you can look at. But the price tag for $3,300, and if you are a student you do not get a discount on it, it's really not worth it, because there are better options out there that would suit and match your needs. For example, if you can find the ultra fine LG display refurbished or used with a good condition, I would recommend going with that display, because I do own the 4K variant of that display. Or you can go with Alienware displays, which they are much cheaper and actually are good displays. I do have the Alienware 27-inch 4K. I think it is discontinued at this point, but it's that display that you are looking at right now and you are seeing. Also, there is the option of getting the LG Ultra Gear, which is for about $500 to $550, and it's an OLED display. And that display is an amazing display, and it will be my next display as something that I will use on a daily basis with my computer. And it's an OLED, not even backlit LED. Granted, backlit LED, they do not suffer from bleeding as much, but OLED technology has came a long way, so that shouldn't be an issue. And honestly, by the time that your display has a burn in, probably you are already thinking of changing that display, because it has been so many years at that point anyway. So is this display a great display? Yes. Is it for everyone? No. Is it for you and me? Probably no. Then it is for whom in that case? It is for the people who have their own studios and they want something that is very color accurate. And instead of going out and buying a display that costs $25K, this can be a big bargain for them, and hence the name is Studio Display XDR. But for you and me, I think we should be sticking to getting the Mac, the laptops, and getting a display for a $500 max and pairing it with our new Mac and be happy. And with that, Adam is signing out.
Pretty girl, champagne, heaven so close. Say my name when the stars align. It's the best night of our lives. Yeah. Pull up clean, yeah, the engine talk. Red seats, gold chain, money walk. VIP, no line, we float. Whole room freeze when we hit the floor. She bad, no stress, pure class. Blast from the cans when we sip that glass. All eyes on us, yeah, they know the deal.